Hello my fellow YouTubers. Here's a test that I want to show you guys that's pretty interesting. Here's a PMH. I got the PMH hooked up to the voltmeter. And there's the voltmeter. And what we're going to do is charge up the PMH, put the keeper bar on. And then we're going to pull the bar off and we're going to look at how much voltage pops up. I have it on 2 volts. And from there, we're going to do one more test I need to show you guys, okay? So let's go ahead. How am I going to do this? I guess I'm going to have to connect. Ooh, don't want to breathe that stuff. Fire in the hole. What happens when you get overzealous. I should know better than that. Let's go ahead and, since I only got one hand, I'm going to go ahead and connect the PMH. Connect the keeper bar like that. You see how far away that was when it sucked over it? Alright. It's on there. Now we'll go ahead and connect Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and pull the bar off. Let's check what shows up. Not much. You see that? 0.72. Alright, this is what I wanted to show you as well. So the other video I just did was inductive, right? On induction on my other coils. Here you go. Here's the keeper bar, here's the PMH. We're hooked up through the coils. Now, when I move this towards the PMH, you should see a plus charge come on the voltmeter. And then when I pull this away, you should see a negative. And you'll see the negative show up over here. So let's go ahead and we're going to bring, let's see, how am I going to do this? We need to put this down here, I guess. There we go. So we're going to bring it close in proximity. And look at that. 1 shows up. I'm not touching. I'm not even touching. Look at this. So when I push in, it's a plus. And when I pull out, it's a negative. Plus, negative. Plus, negative. Let's touch. That was pretty good. Minus. Let's touch. Minus. Alright. So, what's going on here? So, obviously, when you bring this over, the molecules in here are lined up the same way. So, we're able to inductively move some electrons over to that side, and we don't even have to touch. Look at that, we're not even touching. We're just close. This is a static induction more than electromagnetic induction. This is exactly what it is. But you can see when you pull away, you're yanking back, because what's happening when you pull away, the charge is running out of the coil. Remember, the energy's in the iron, but when you bring this close by, this iron here, which is more mass, is going to steal electrons from this one. But you can see that when you move it close by, there's obviously a discharge going on here, or a buildup that's going on here. But when you pull this away, this bar wants its energy back and it sucks it back out. it seems to be where it comes right out from the coil. Pretty interesting stuff. This is without touching. So I touch, pull away, touch, pull away. So keeps doing it. Soft iron. Leave your comments.